This is a 1931 Chevrolet two-door sedan. Very nice looking car. It's an auction car at Zephyr Hills in 2016. It is two-tone. It is green, very dark green, and black. Black fenders, and you'll see that there's a two-tone effect with green and black on the doors and rear quarters. It's a little bit hard to tell, but as you get around the car you'll see it's a really dark green major body color. One windshield wiper, and I think there is a 6-cylinder overhead valve 6 under that hood. Notice the anti-vibration roller there in the window. The windows would rattle on these old cars, and they'd stick that little wheel in there to prevent the windows from vibrating and rattling. And it looks like that windshield wiper might be manual. Certainly can be operated from the inside. Here are all the gauges. You know, and I'm not sure whether this car has a heater or not. I didn't see the control for a heater, but who knows. And usually they're underneath the dash there, very visible, but I don't see it in this car. And it looks like we have a starter there on the floor. Nice upholstery on these old cars. Plenty of room in the back seat. Notice how elementary the latch is there in that car. Now, that was one of the major problems of some of these old cars, is the doors could pop open in an accident. One taillight. Gas cap there in the back with the gas tank. Now you can see the green and of course the yellow wheels, wire wheels. Certainly was giving Ford some competition. Of course, Ford had the upper hand with the V8. These old cars had throttle controls right there on the dash. Besides the gas pedal. Nice looking car.